Fossil evidence in the walls reveals that the bottom of the canyon was once the bottom of the ocean. A vast field of aquatic plants.
They were just all over the place. Gardens of these on the shallow sea floors, filtering the seawater for their food.
The fossils help precisely date this limestone at 340 million years old. This dating is critically important to geologists because not far downriver, the timeline runs out. The expedition's now heading towards a million-year gap in the geological record that no scientist can explain. One thing geologists do know is that the canyon was not formed by gradual erosion, but cataclysmic water events. It's still happening. The evidence is the canyon's famous rapids. Some of the most treacherous whitewater in the world